Getting kicked out from NBA 2K26 with a problem has been encountered that prevents gameplay from continuing. You are not alone. Reddit and YouTube comments are full of players getting banned because of this error after recent updates. These are the top real users fixes that are actually working right now. First fix, allow NBA 2K through Windows Firewall. Search Windows for Firewall and Network Protection, open Advanced Settings. Now tap Inbound Rules and create a new rule. Choose port, then TCP. Type these ports 80, 84, 443, 443, 80, 80, 8443 8888. Allow the connection and save it. Many Reddit users said this instantly stopped random kicks during matches. Next, clear your system cache. If you're on console, turn your console off completely, unplug it for 60 seconds and restart. If you're on PC, open Steam, right-click NBA 2K26, go to Properties, install files, then verify integrity of game files. Corrupted update files are causing this for many players. Now important, avoid Wi-Fi if possible. 2K servers are extremely sensitive to lag spikes. Many users said switching to Ethernet or LAN cable completely stopped the error. Last fix, close overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, recording apps, Chrome downloads or macros running in the background. This can interfere with 2K servers sync. Try this one by one. Most players are saying the firewall fix plus Ethernet connection solved the problem completely. Bye bye.